Is there a limit to how much alcohol I can declare in my checked luggage?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a question that comes up quite often among travelers. Is there a limit to how much alcohol I can declare in my checked luggage? Whether you're returning from a vineyard tour or just want to bring your favorite spirits to enjoy on your trip, it's crucial to know the rules.
Understanding the basics.
First things first, let's clarify one thing. Yes, there are limits to how much alcohol you can carry in your checked luggage. The regulations vary depending on several factors such as the type of alcohol, the country you're traveling to, and the airline's specific policies.
Alcohol content matters.
One of the primary considerations is the alcohol content. For most airlines, you can generally carry up to 5 liters of alcohol with an alcohol content between 24% and 70%. Alcohol with a content of less than 24% is typically not restricted. However, alcohol with a content of more than 70%, 140 proof, is usually prohibited due to safety reasons.
Destination country regulations.
Next, it's important to know the customs regulations of the country you're traveling to. Some countries have strict limitations on the quantity of alcohol you can bring in, even if it's for personal use. For example, in the United States, travelers are generally allowed to bring up to 1 liter of alcohol into the country duty-free. Anything over this amount is subject to taxation.
Airline-specific policies.
Lastly, remember that individual airlines may have their own policies about carrying alcohol in checked luggage, which can also affect the allowable amount. Therefore, it's always a good idea to check with your airline before packing your bags. So, in conclusion, while you can definitely carry alcohol in your checked luggage, there are certain limitations that you need to be aware of. Always remember to check the alcohol content, know the customs regulations of your destination, and understand your airline's specific rules. Safe travels and cheers to a fantastic journey ahead!